Yo, what's going on, crew? So as you can see, it's rough out here because we got a wakeboarding boat out there doing some hood rat stuff. It's coming up on the dock, so it's gonna be interesting going out. But enough of that, let's get it. You. Yo, what's going on, crew? Surfed a little bit of boat wake, get the heart rate up some, and now we're doing this this crossing, one of the first big crossings. We'll have another big one, and then we'll be in a swampy area. All right, let's get it. Woo. Alright, crew, we're crossing the other open section. There's not a lot of wind, but it's enough wind to mix it up a little bit, which is fun out here. Spray decks are not a must, but glad I got them. Alright, enough of that. We'll keep on pushing it. Yoo. Yo, what's going on, crew? So, on this cool little island. I seen it last time in the outrigger, but I didn't stop here. It's first time stopping here. It's pretty damn cool. Good spot to camp there if you wanted to. This wind is going to be ripping on the way back. Daggum, this is insane. Alright, let's get it. Yo, crew, look at that dock right there. I found that last time I was out here in the outrigger, but I don't think I made a video of it. It's pretty cool. We're almost to the swampy area, so go check it out, see how far we can go, and head back. Let's get it. Yoo. Yo, so crew, so this is all dammed up and super freaking low. Yeah, it's my paddle's touching right here. Very interesting. You know, maybe a channel over there. I'm gonna ferry up a little bit and then look back down. All right, let's get it. Yo, so what's going on, crew? So this isn't swamp. This is kind of muck, and something I really don't want to paddle in, especially with this kind of wind, because I don't want to get blowed in there and then get, you know, spun around or whatever, because wind's ripping through there too. So I guess we'll try this again like on another day where it's not so windy, because it's not super far. It's like 2.5 miles, a little over 2.5 miles away. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and head back. All right, let's get it. Yo, some crazy conditions to be out here. Freaking open, dude. But it's got bags in it and it's got spray deck, so not too worried. But it is slow. But enough of that. The wind's doing some crazy stuff. She's like surging. I just figured I'd let y'all hear and see what it felt like. All right, let's get it. Woo. Yo, what's going on, crew? Hope y'all enjoyed this week's video, and it was a banger getting out there as usual. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with this one and see you on the next one.
It always seems impossible until you just do it. Let's get it. You.